Hi friends, driving cab barefoot. Amazing lady on the beach, in the mountains. Something wrong with her car. Brazilian lady driving a retro car. The wheel is right, maybe it's in UK. Pretty girl. Pretty lady driving her cab barefoot, we can see. She moving very fast. It's a modern car. Automatic transmission. So nice, well done. So fast. She is very happy, we can see. Thank you for viewing. Goodbye. Hi friends. Let's take a look at lady driving a cab barefoot. This beauty is from Brazil. By the way, this is a very interesting original car. Here he gets into the car, turn it on. Some guy run away. She really drives barefoot. By the way, this is a very interesting original car. Yes. We can see it. She really drives barefoot. It's much more comfortable than in the shoes with the heels. She's a good driver. It must be recognized. She goes pretty fast. Being barefoot is very comfortable and pleasant. Yes, we can see it. She goes so fast. She's a good driver. And she's well done. Thank you for viewing. Goodbye. Hi friends. Barefoot in everyday life. This beautiful lady loves traveling in her Jeep. Now she's repairing her car. Barefoot. She changes a car tire. Hard work. Well done.
Welcome back to the Cheeky Garage. Today we're installing the open road 13,000-pound winch on the Quadratech winch plate. Let's get to work.
Montage a winch on a car. This beautiful lady does everything herself. It's not as simple as it seems at first glance. You need to have a lot of special tools and equipment. It's clear that she knows how to do everything. She has a practice. These are preparatory works. The guy helps her because it's a hard thing. She attaches the winch to the car. Everything must be good. Well done. Amazing lady. Looks so beautiful. A beautiful Jeep and a beautiful lady. Well done. Thank you for viewing. Goodbye. Hi friends. Beautiful and talented lady repairs her car. We can see it. She is well done. She's trying to remove this wheel. She has special equipment. She's so happy and cheerful. This wheel is very heavy, I think. Yes, she's very strong. She's well done. It's a brake disc. she trying to remove it? Yes, we can see it. It's very heavy too. But she is very strong and beautiful and barefoot. What she's doing now? It's axle. She tried to repair this axle. It's very dirty and hard work. Yes. But she is so happy and cheerful. Real master professional. Amazing lady. Yes, we can see it. She repairs this axle. Well done. So dirty work. Amazing lady. Yes. She's so happy and barefoot. Well done, real master. Thank you for viewing. Goodbye.